What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Yes, today I have a fresh one. Shout out to Michelle Cuts for helping with this haircut that she got right there. I don't know what color her hair is. I don't know what color it is. I'm trying to figure it out. But anyway, shout out to Michelle Cuts for helping with this haircut. The majority of the haircut, she has helped with the other side. I'm gonna spin it around to show you what Michelle can do. And then it's a small portion of the haircut on the right hand side that's incomplete. I'm gonna use my Ulster Octane to complete the rest of the haircut. Barber Illuminati. So this is the Michelle side. Look at this. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. Of course, you know, I had my hands on that side also, a little bit. But this is about 95% Michelle on the left side. So, like I said, I'm going to be recording the right side, just a small portion of it, and using my Ulster Octane for the first time on YouTube. I'm excited. You excited. If you're new to the channel, I recommend that you subscribe right now. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barber Shop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Did I forget anybody? No? Okay, cool. Let's keep it moving. I forget some people. It's okay. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm going to lunch. What's for lunch? I'm going to zoom in a little for you to see the haircut up close and personal. The Barber Illuminati don't have anything to hide. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, this is the time to subscribe. Shout out to Miguel Torres, I see you. Miss Regina, I know you're watching. Houston, Texas, what's up? Ghana, what's up? Barber Illuminati. Alright, I'm getting ready to start my first guideline. Let's go. With the OA blade. You guys already know my style. OA 00050. Like I said, this is my first time using the Ulster Octane. So far, so good. This is a 000 blending into the OA on an angle. It's very important that you don't leave enough space from the OA. 50 into the 000. I think I'm probably the first guy to do an all detachable blade on YouTube with the Octane. Wow. I'm making history today. Wow. Barber Illuminati. Boom. All right. I'm going to do a little bit of work with the slim line below the 50, just a tad bit, to make sure the bottom line is fairly out of there. We're looking good. Now, second guideline with the 1.5. This is my third time featuring this gentleman on the channel. I'm beginning to think that it's time to share the YouTube check with him. We're going to talk about that off camera. Give him 5% of the big check. One and a half. One eight below the one and a half. Get in there. One below the 1A. OA below the 1 at an angle, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the whole step just to polish it up a little bit, and that's it. Plain and simple. By the way, I still have the 1.5 on. One A coming up. Zoom in a little to make sure you guys see every detail. 1A below the 1.5. Get in there. What I mean by getting in there is to raise your hand into the blend just a little bit more from the first time. As you can see, this is my second time around. Repeating the same steps in the same area. So get in there, raise your hand just a little bit more. That's all. One A. Actually, 1 below the 1A. And this is the part that you get very disciplined with your hand. You don't want to get too excited. A little bit of that OA coming up. That's it. All right. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick spin, and we're gonna get out of here. I think I'm gonna have lunch one more time. We're gonna do a quick spin here to show you guys the entire work. Shout out to Alexis Cuts. Oh, by the way, this video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois, at Fountain Square. We are not hard to find. Barber Illuminati. All right, a quick spin, and we're gonna get out of here. Wow, I love this job. That's not even a job. This is a hangout. We're just hanging out. We ain't working. No way. We're just hanging out. It's gotta be. Wow. Okay, here we go. I've been trying to tell you. By the way, hard part done by Michelle Cuts. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. All right, YouTube, that's it. We out.